Hey, this is the talking show again. And
Hi. We're here to talk to you about milk.
Milk is good for your brain, but guess what? We are not happy about those posters that they make about milk. Like, what's the saying again?
Milk is a good choice.
No, like there's no saying. It's like milk it or like we'll figure.
Milk.
Okay, we want to show you. Whenever they take a drink of milk, there's like this big white little thing on their face. Like it looks like someone painted it. It's
yeah,
so white.
it's like so white, but that's not really how it is.
So we're gonna show you how it really is. This
is a real milk mustache.
That's how it is.
Yeah, you know.
So we're gonna have my dog have one.
Come here, Miley.
Put that duck out of your mouth.
Strong bones. Oh, she licked it off.
She's got a little goatee.
Yeah. Wait, you see that over
You see that?
You see that little
little goatee?
It's still a little over Kara.
Okay, right. So, you can see, that's what it really looks like, even on dogs.
Except dogs have goatees.
Yeah.
Mustache. Yeah. It doesn't. We are out of time.
That was just our quick, like, little 2-minute video. So, goodbye.
Bye.